Hello, everyone. Michelle here from the Bondurant Community Library. Registration for the 2021 Summer Reading Program is underway, and we wanted to let you know how to get registered in our online portal called Wandoo Reader. This video is showing how single users can get registered for the Summer Library Program. First of all, you'll want to go to our website. The easiest way to do that is from the city's website. This is cityofbondurant.com, and under Services, you can click on Library. This will take you to the library's website and hover over Services, and you'll see Summer Reading Program 2021. Click on that. Here is some general information about the program, as well as the links to Wandoo Reader here and here. There's a paper reading log if you prefer to do all of your tracking paper and not on Wandoo Reader. Some helpful hints about Wandoo Reader is that link is right there. And at the bottom, you'll see our June schedule of events and the July schedule of events. So right now, let's go to Wandoo Reader. This is the landing page for Wandoo Reader, which is our online portal. If you already have used Wandoo Reader in the past, say last summer or for our adult reading program, you probably already have an account and you can just log in. So here is where you would put your username and your password. And here I am logged in. This message will pop up and tell you that the program hasn't started yet, and that's because tracking doesn't start until June 7th. If you forget your password, there is a I forgot my password link. And then you would just enter the email you used, confirm that, and they'll send you an email to reset that password. Now, let's say you've never used Wandoo Reader, you didn't use it last year or for the adult winter read, then you would want to click on Join Here and fill this information out. And what you would do is to go ahead and create that account and as a single user. So let's go ahead and create one for Mr. Percy Jackson. I'm going to put my email address because I don't know Percy's email address. And then his username, and then password I'm going to create for him. Now, this game, select game difficulty, Wandoo Reader has a really cool feature in their program, mostly for kids, but adults are welcome to do it as well, where it's kind of gamified within this portal. So as you're tracking your reading, then there's different levels that you can do. You can choose an avatar and all of those. I would definitely you can choose whatever you want. My default is easy. And then you would choose your grade. Either you're not yet in school, a pre-K, kindergarten, and then the very bottom choice is adult, if that's what you want to choose. Let's say, I think Percy Jackson was like in 8th grade. Let's pretend. And then you would select your school. This is totally whatever you want. And then, of course, you're at Bondurant Community Library. You can click this box if you want to disable that storyline or those gamification features to that, but we're going to let Percy play the game. And then all you need to do is click on Create an Account. And oh, somebody already has Jackson P. So we're going to have to do Jackson P exclamation point. Let's see. Hopefully that works. Okay, so he is now registered. And again, we get this message that says check back on June 7th because that is when the tracking of your reading happens. Now, because I entered my email address, I'm actually going to get an email that says somebody has registered for the program in my email. And then on June 7th, just come back to Wandoo Reader and start tracking your reading. Now remember, every week you'll want to come and get a badge. Once you register in Wandoo Reader, come to the library and get your registration pack. We have a lanyard for you as well as a registered badge. And then every week that you meet your reading goal, and your reading goal is completely set by you, then we will give you that week's badge. Anyone grades 5 and below will receive a weekly prize as well, and everyone who participates will automatically be entered into random weekly drawings as well as the grand prize drawing. Please don't hesitate to call the library at 967-4790 if you have any further questions. We're happy to assist. There will be also a second video for anyone interested in using the family portal. Thank you.